Good morning, Vlogmas, day 5. It's raining in Baltimore. Counting Crows song, sorry. Vlogmas! This morning I kind of had a little bit of a breakdown. My knitting group decided to do their Christmas party on Friday. I didn't have anything in my stash I wanted to give up. Oops. I hurriedly emailed an indie dyer that I've been wanting some yarn from. I said, do you think you can get it by Friday? You have it in stock if I order it? And she said, yes, she will work with me. So I couldn't just order 1. I ordered 3. I wasn't supposed to be buying any yarn. Oops. I've just been oohing and eyeing over her yarn for months on Instagram, so I'll have to do a little segment about my acquisitions. Yay! Off to work. It's Monday. Lighting is horrible in our living room. So weekdays are kind of boring for us. We both work. Home, we eat dinner, we play with the baby for a little bit, and then John usually falls asleep on the recliner, and I knit or crochet a little bit. Our weekday Vlogmases may be kind of boring. Apologize. I showed a short video at the end of day 4. I was crocheting a little ornament. My coworker actually gave these to us, I think it was 2 years ago. She had her mom make them, and she gave them to us for Christmas presents, and they were super cute, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna look this pattern up because this might be something I could give to my select family members. And so I put it all together, and there it is. Little crocheted sheepy. Jennifer Dickerson, and that is the free pattern on Ravelry. Crochet hook, I just use random scraps of all these yarns. A little scarf. A sheepy ornament, I think is what it's called. Yay! Issues. It was very quick. Uses like an H hook. You can give them all kinds of different color scarves if you wanted to. I think people do different color faces. You know, it's fun. It's probably going to be a short video tonight. My husband's bathing the baby. She's not feeling good. She's got some gooky eye going on. We Googled it. Dr. Google is not great. She has a doctor's appointment on Thursday to get the second half of her flu shot. It's like, really? You get sick 2 days before your actual doctor's appointment?